Nice move by number 3. Connect. Nice. Makay, master player number 26. Nice fake move. Connect. Signal very pass to Tabangan. 10 to shoot. Tabangan, floater, connect. Vino back to Rites. What a pass I like to Divino. What chemistry by Divino. And back to Vino, back to Tabangan. Pull up jumper, connect. Back to back points by Tabangan. We have Makay, tuhan naman si Divino. Using the body connect by Divino. Back to back points again by Bangay Siso. Nagpahilo si Bangay Siso. Nakahanap ng butas. Pull up jumper, connect. Siso 3 on 3. Bangay Siso. Uy! Using the glass. Connect. Passing day to Vino. Half time. Move by Vino. Number 27. Pass to Bangay Siso. Nice pass to number 24. Connect. Good ball. Rites. Connect. 5 minutes and 20. Rebound by number 3, connect. Kita kebasahan pass to Bangay Siso. Bangay Siso. Nice move by Bangay Siso. 10-30. Bangay, pass to number 3. Number 3 again, convert. Sa putra. Okay, back number 3, back to Rites. Foul and 1. By Tabangan, baru Bangay Siso. Connect. Pass to Kitoy. Kitoy. Warang move by Kitoy. Pass to Turo. 15 to shoot. What a spin move by Turo. Foul and one. For number 2. Tuara. Turo. Jeez. Baneg. Connect by Baneg. What a shot by Baneg. Starting 3. Reload for 3. Karala. Put back by number 11. Papaya. Number 11. Back to Turo using the glass. Back to Turo. Nice move by Turo. Put back by number 11. Number 11 again. Kudus. Luzano. What a move by Luzano. Fighting si Kudus. 15. Nice shot. Jeez. 5. Hoy! Kumpiyansa kayo!
Tika pa rin kamuti mo.
Para siya by Vino. Maka, pass to Ligaspi. Ligaspi, pass to Divino. Nice pass to Rites. Ang galing Divino nagmamali. Pass to Makay. Makay.
Hasta linya, blue.
Yes, Sir Aguila. Pass to Brancaes. 100 layup shot by Ligaspi. Pass to number 26. What a move! What a shot again by number 26. Ligaspi again. Ligaspi, pali to pali. Pinawi. Pass to Divino. Pass to Rites. What a chemistry. Pass to Bangay Siso. Pass to number 4, Baneg. Baneg to Luzano. Pass to shot. Connect by Luzano. Luzano nagmamadali. Pass to. Nice pass. Nice shot again by number 11. Sayang ang tato. Kitoy. Connect. Pass number 11. Pass to Luzano. Luzano again. A shot by Luzano. Alalong ikipasahan Dialong. Ligaspi, connect. Nanginig ko sa kaso Alalong. Back to Turo. Turo sumalaksak. Pinilit. One shot by Turo. Ligaspi na naman. Top lane. Kitoy, paso Alalong. Kinaliwa. Intercepted by Kitoy, paso Alalong. Sabangan, umikot, kaso Balneng, wala, rebound, oy! Tabangan, convert, 10 seconds remain, 5. In 55, Aguila, Tobang kay Siso, wala using the glass, 1, 2, 3, now 35. Wala kaya, good! Good! Captain! For 3, wala, Pangkay Siso, put back. Next by Mang Ino, Tura! Asa mo? Pass play to Pangkay Siso. Sayang. Alalong half time. Turo, connect.
Kompleto rin.
Balik to Turo. Pinalik. Putang wala. Putang yabon. Wala. Next by Alalong. Wala. Iwan by Tabangan. Tabangan. One spin fading away. Connect by Tabangan. Last 2 minutes. Wala. Turo power. Iwan by Turo power. Put back by Turo. Nice passing by Windy. Sabi bola. Caramente, quick shot. Bam! 1, 2, 3. Nobody. Back to Alalong. Alalong, papaya. Connect. 3 minutes. Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Pass play. Half time.